Good morning from Klamath Falls. This was where I camped last night. I didn't get to see the beautiful lake with all the ducks in it. But now we've got a nice sunny morning. I'm gonna get myself some breakfast and then maybe look at going on a little hike in the area before I head on down to Reno. Oh, I didn't realize what kind of action was going on outside the camper last night. Looks like I missed out. Okay, I'm now at Spence Mountain Trail System. I'm going to do the Queen of the Lake Trail, which is, I'm here. It's going to take me along the lake and loop around back. I think it's about 7 kilometers or so, and it looks to be snowy. So let's find out how deep it gets. Well, someone was nice enough to have come here before me and pad down most of the snow.
20 minutes later.
Well, lesson learned with this DJI. I had the camera attached to my head strap, but I guess I didn't click the magnet latches in, and so when I put it in my pocket, it I guess got knocked off, and I had to hike back 10 minutes before I realized. At least I'm looking for a black camera on white snow, so made for an easy find, but lesson learned. Always make sure the latches are done up. Well, the upside to hiking this time of year is there's 0 bugs. Although somehow I've taken the odd spider web across my face. Winter spiders. Who knew? Well, whoever's footprints I was following have long since disappeared. All that's left is looks like deer tracks and possibly coyote prints. Those are not deer prints. So it took about 45 minutes to get from way over there and loop all the way around to here where I am right now. So just a quick little hike to check the lake out. We'll head back now and hit the road to Reno. And we're back. Not bad. Just around 2 hours, including the time to come back and find the camera. So just gonna change up out of my wet shoes and sweaty clothes, and then we'll get back on the road. Okay, all ready to go. It's just over 400K to get to Reno. So we should be in the neighborhood pretty quick. I'll probably stay in the camper somewhere on the outskirts of town And then when Jeff arrives, we have a hotel, and I'll be hoteling it with him for the time we're spending together, so the camper will get a break. And then once I drop him off, we'll be back to the action. But anyways, let's hit the road. Welcome to California. So we've just crossed the border and it looks pretty much the same as Oregon. Sadly though, Oregon has no sales tax, so the price is the price. And I think California has a hefty sales tax. But I won't be in California that long before I cross over into Reno or Nevada. I don't know how well the moon's gonna come out, but I've got a good moonlight view of the mountain ranges around me. It's 8 o'clock. I'm about 30 minutes outside of Reno, and I'm gonna camp in a nice little trailhead area about a kilometer off the road. It'll be nice and quiet, and that's about it for today. Just gonna make myself some dinner and then hit the hay, and we'll pull into Reno tomorrow and hang around and wait for Jeff to come. He's getting in at 10 o'clock tomorrow night. And then the next day, we'll head on down to Tahoe area and the beginning of our snowboarding adventures. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.